not mine that grieves her, only my disgrace.